Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just dey waka or then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you go just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. Thank you. So today we want to talk about one of our sister. This our sister. Now member of this our platform. She say she dey do her handwork, and she say she still bring her own matter come on and see talk put for the voice recording and for the comment section, because she no wan make mistake of her life or mistake wey she go regret all her life. According to her, she say every time she go dey dream say she dey go back to her uncle house, a papa junior brother house. He go dey do house girl for them. Now I tell am say this dream, so e get wetin e mean. This dream really mean something, and dream na message. As una know say we still dey do some interpretation of dream for this platform. Because a dream na message to you. You got to be very careful and prayerful, you understand. She come say she hear. Na then she come tell me say and she wan travel to Nigeria. Anyway, make I just tell una from the beginning so that una for understand, and she need una advice if to travel to Nigeria or not to travel to Nigeria. So wetin happen be say she say when they born there with a silver spoon, but they lost the spoon, in the sense that their father was very rich. He get many stuff on Onitsha market. Una know Onitsha market now, as that place be. Una know now, he not be small pikin in business. He say so if papa can't get accident, serious accident wey be say people come to say if papa don't even But thank God that time, he say now Igbo man dey hospital that time. He say the Igbo man can't try his best to revive papa, so papa no come die. Say during that time when papa get that accident, papa get one brother when be say they be the same mama, the same papa. So the brother come sell all it, so he might be say papa don't die. So the brother sell all the things, everything. He can't carry the money run go another state for Nigeria. So when papa come fit, because nobody believes say papa go fit make count for that accident. So when papa come finally come dey okay, but he not come get money again. His brother don sell all his stores, carry all the money, go start business for that side. And the brother come still start the business. That his brother come still get money. The business come still move for that his brother, but his papa not come get. And that his brother not come even dey help. But his papa na person wey get good mind. People come dey tell am say, your brother when he do you like this, do am back, pay am back. He say no. Despite say he still do am like that, since his brother dey do well, no problem. Papa not get any evil mind for anybody. Then the papa come marry his mama. He say his papa marry his mama as a virgin. Now his papa fit chop his mama ample. He say so every time mama go carry am sit down, papa go carry am sit down, go say, my daughter, keep yourself oh, no waka kpurukere waka oh. Make sure say your husband marry you as a virgin oh, because if he marry you as a virgin, he go love you. You see the way I love your mother, and the mother go say, you see the way your father love me, so your husband go love you like that. So get problem for your marriage oh, so just keep yourself. We say the thing go dey ring for her ear. He says so, but the papa no come get money again to take care of them. So now he come, because according to them, they say now she now be their how it say speak the Igbo, and when person go pass, person come reincarnate. Now she now be their papa mama, so that they call her nne. So even that his papa brother, see they call her nne because he resemble their mama, and now he still come as their mama. Now she be the first daughter. So now his papa come say they can't go greet that their brother one day for where he dey. Now his brother come say make he stay with them. Then come say okay, he can't stay with them. They come put her for school for there. She can't go primary school. She finish primary school. She can't go secondary school for there. He say so he can't come back to his parents' house for village. As he come back, he can say all his friends, them when they born together, this one don carry belle, this one go do abortion, e pass am, e no come back, this one do this one do that, this one run follow man, this one do this one. He say come weak. He come say why all these things come dey happen. He say that papa come tell am say you see as this thing be, you see wetin I dey tell you, my daughter, are you still a virgin? Then he come tell the papa say yes o, nobody don temper with her. Then papa come tell am say you see all your friends now, the way you don kpeme, the way you don born pikin for their young age. He say come say hey God, he want make him husband marry her as a virgin the way papa take marry him mama. He say they be Catholic. He say come go that Mary this thing. You know, the Catholic church now, that Mary when they mold Mary put for there, then a Sacred Heart or so that they call her. I'm sorry, I be Catholic, but I never know the name. Those I just join him. He say come go there, he come go lay down, he come pray, come say oh, he know what this virgin oh, may Mother Mary help her oh, he want my husband marry as a virgin oh, he want marry good husband. He say come make that covenant for there, he come pray, come lie down, he come take the whether not the water be the sand wey dey there, he come do everything wey they do for there, he come make the covenant for there. Say he come make covenant say any man no go fit rape her or force her, and she no go ever disvirgin for any man except na her husband. He say come go tell him mama. Then mama come tell am say why you go make such covenant? Say come say wan make such covenant oh, and he believe say Mother Mary will follow her, and he really follow her. He say so after the secondary school he come say he wan go back to that him uncle, you know na enjoyment life. Now he can't go back to that uncle. He say he really no book well. Say but the uncle children they don't know book, and they supposed to sponsor her to university. The uncle go dey talk say like me just born you now, and for your sponsor you to university, but he no gree sponsor her. He say then the uncle wife come dey want maybe say she must disvirgin by all means. Maybe say as that woman wicked, you come back dey send her go mayor house, he go say carry this thing go give this one, carry this one, so that you go in the night you go dey send her all those kind mess, and you know say na young girl, because you just want make person chop that girl handful, and you know say that girl na virgin. He say if he come see reject, say God dey do am, nothing dey happen. If I thought say that person get the mind, he ready before say he wan do am, he don chop tramadol dey wait for am. He say once he just enter, he say the kind this thing wey dey follow her, he go just calm that person down. The person sef he no know wetin dey do again, he go just drop the food, he go waka comot, nothing dey happen. Na so the brother wife go dey look am say he say na so. He say when he come see say he no fit again, say he come go back to village go meet him papa. As he come go back to, I just dey cut the story short oh, he come go meet him papa. He say people come dey come say they wan marry. If you see this lady, another I just tired. And also beautiful ladies they come meet me oh, beautiful ladies. Now they come. If you see this lady, if I dey talk say they find out, they say maybe I dey lie. I know they lie. Now as they be, now so I dey talk. Fine ladies, then they come meet me. If you see this lady, oh money song. If you say she fine finish, so. I said that one American man come. The American man come to say he want marry her. He say come tell the man say, nobody don chop him apple. You must marry me first before anything. Now the man say, wetin you dey talk? I will marry you. We are never go there. No try out. He say na so the man take go. The man no come back again. Another one come again. This one ready to do marriage before he chop apple. He say but the marriage no work. He come even tire. The man no gree come again. He say him uncle, out of jealousy, he can't go do something. Maybe say that man no go marry her. He can't go they go they gossip, they do something, say make that man no marry her. So he no know, his family no know. So he can't go meet one wetin I call am babalawo wey dey their area. You come go tell that one say make he do am, maybe say better man no go come marry her. E go be say she will come dey on that day. That they go dey control their life for them. Better person no go come out for that family. He say as he come tell the man, he come carry a picture go give the man. He say na there another man dey there. That man he get stroke, he go do him leg. So as he go do him leg for there, he dey inside house, he dey hear everything wey that man talk, because he know that man. Because say he say as that man come on, now he come beg this man, say abeg, this girl na nice girl, this thing wey this man say make you do, so no do am o. These people na nice family o, I know them. He say because that man na their house na dey even come. He say their mama, him mama dey cook for street people to eat sef. Him mama na very lovely woman. He say na he come tell the man like that. Then the man come talk say okay, he no go do the thing. He say but the man no talk. So now the man come call him papa and him mama. That is that man wey get stroke. He come tell them say, this una brother, see wetin he dey do o, see wetin he go do o. Then he come say na wetin he go do na make this our in-law no come back. He say na so. He say so una be careful for this your brother body o. He say before he even tell their papa this matter, he come tell them say make dem swear oath if dem go even tell this their brother, say because he no want problem. Because if dem fit go use annoyance, they go fight the man now, he go come dey problem. That's why some people no dey gree talk matter come out. He say dem come swear say lie dem no go tell their daughter, dem no go tell the man. He say dem no talk. Say but na last when he don marry, before dem come even dey tell am say see wetin happen that time. He say na so the in-law take go, the in-law no come back. He say come dey cry, the thing come pain am, but she still dey. You understand, God's time is the best. He say before this his husband wey he marry am come, this his husband, if you see another fine man, correct man, the man come. So when the man come, being as say they don already know the plan of this his brother, that's why they say if your yam e dey white, use am cover am, make enemy no go see am. He say as this man come, and this his husband too, na still person wey be say body dey give sign. When you know say some people just dey wey be say body dey give the sign. He say when the husband come, they no come go tell the uncle say somebody dey come for her o. He say when they come see say the thing don serious, he come see tell the man say nobody don chop him apple, you go pay my bride price first before anything. Now the man say no problem, he dey there, he go pay. Then he come go tell the uncle. The papa come go tell the uncle say somebody don come, you wan come marry this our daughter o. He come say wetin e be. Say he come talk say the man no get money o, the man na conductor for Lagos o. He come say conductor na him wan marry am. He come dey laugh. Say he come say na conductor o. He no let am know say the man get money and na from Europe. He come say na conductor. He say that, he come say okay, no problem. They come dey laugh, they come dey laugh, you know. He say na so they come prepare everything. The day when he come carry this his husband go meet he uncle, then he comes dey look am. You know say person wey dey abroad, if he reach Africa, his skin dey shine. Even though say his skin no fair for abroad, once you don enter that Africa, I no know why they be like that. Your skin must shine. People must, anywhere you pass, they must know say you no be this Nigeria you dey. E must show. He says the man just see, I come say na this one na talk say na conductor. This one when his skin dey shine one like this. He said the conductor say na conductor. He say you tell me say this one na conductor. He said na the man conductor. So already they don tell the man everything, say make he pretend to then get reason. Then the man conductor say yes, so him be conductor. Say but glory be to God, he don fit get one small shop for inside, whether na Alaba market or be inside market, and na there he come dey manage himself with the small shop. He say he come say he say na so him uncle dey look am. He say after everything, come reach marriage day, because the man spend money for the marriage. You know say all these our people they spend money for marriage well. He say if you see the marriage day, if you see van wey he bring drink, food, different things. He say no be small marriage that day. He say na so him uncle come be like Toto wey so call you say na person wey dey say na be conductor like this, even person wey go America come back no go do this kind marriage. He say so all these people dey deceive me. So the uncle come vex, you know, but they no send, they come dey do their marriage. They come go, he come put 20,000 naira for envelope. He come give am that money. He use am do something. Say that money if they spend that money, na so money go dry for their hands. You see, that's why everybody have to be careful. no be all gift you go dey carry. And especially if you dey do something, person give you gift, even though say you carry that gift, not just carry that gift enter house, make sure say you don cast am back for inside that gift before you carry am enter house. He say na so he come take the 20,000 naira, he come keep am aside. Na so they come buy pot, they come wrap the pots. That pot mean say if they use that pot take cook, they no go hear cry of pikin. As far as they use that pot take cook, they chop for inside that pot. You don't know say if wetin dey pursue person dey come, the way go dey save am, e dey follow am. As they pursue this our sister, so na God come give am husband wey go dey save am dey come. And the man sef na correct man. He say so after the wedding, they come pack all their gifts, put for inside car. They come dey drive. They go, you know say immediately na go dey go the man side, being na say na the same area. He say as they go, now they come see somebody wey get accident for road. The person get accident, now your husband come tell am say, my wife, abeg nne, that 20,000 naira, give this man wey get accident. Then come say, you know, poverina, you don't know wetin your husband dey save her from. He say, 20,000 wey my uncle give me, now you tell me say make me give this man wey get accident. Now you give her all of them, not be even say give her for inside. He say no, they give her. He say that your husband tell her say give her that money, give her that money, not dey follow us go house. Give her the money. He say now he can't carry the 20,000, he can't give the man wey get accident. The man can't dey pray for them, can't dey happy. He say that so they waka reach front to. Then he say make the place where they put gift, make the car where they put gift, make the car stop. And so the man come down. Now he say, Oja, this pot when your uncle carry come so carry and go dash that woman. He come say, you don't first say more carry money give a person wey get accident. Now you say more carry pot, go see dash pot, this fine pot. He say now, he say carry that pot, go give that woman. He say come the verse. He say come carry the pot, he come go give the woman. He say come tell her say no worry, pots not be the problem. I go buy you how many pots when you want. He say na so they take reach house, so none of their things follow the reach house. He say as they reach house, na so they come. Before you know it dey happen, na so your husband take carry come abroad. He say life was so sweet for them. Na so they start to dey born children full everywhere. The man, everything dey intact, nothing happen to the man. But the uncle come dey wonder say, they don't use the money, they don't use the pot. If they wait make he hear bad news, he no hear any bad news, because greater is he that is in them, that is he that is in the man. Now so Bible talk am. He no hear any bad news. Everything come dey go smoothly. Before you know it dey happen, the papa come die. Then everything she come Europe, come dey born her children. But right now, every time the dream, you say if he not dream this dream 3-4 times in a week, he go dey dream, they see himself. They go this uncle house, they go dey do house girl, follow this uncle. Every time the dream dey repeat itself. If dream dey repeat itself like this, na great message. If you not careful, that thing go come to pass. Once dream don dey repeat itself, wetin you go do na solution. Because if you are not careful, as the dream dey come, as e dey come, na so e dey near for the thing to happen. That go say, this dream na strange dream. He come say right now him mama dey sick. Seriously, he wan see him mama o. And secondly, his sister, his junior sister, wan do marriage. He needs to go there as a senior sister for his sister marriage. He say but his husband come tell am say make he no go. You know our women now, he wan go then get post. He say he must go. Now his husband come tell am say if you dey go, my children, you know they carry go there, you go leave my children for here for me. He say he must go. Now come tell am say but your husband don tell you say make you no go. Why you wan go? He say he must go because he wan see him mama dey sick, and his sister wan do marriage for January. I think we dey June now. Na January his sister wan do marriage, so December he dey prepare to go. That land say follow your husband word. You remember your husband that God they use to they protect you since then. Now you want disobey your husband. Now say if you disobey your husband, may not be say you can't go hand up as a house girl for that your brother a house. Person way woman wey don fit dey on im own for Europe come go dey be house girl for brother. You don't know say that kind of thing fit possible. It can possible. Anything can happen if you are not careful. Now I tell am say that dream wey dey repeat before you even think say you wan enter that Nigeria. Now first of all, to tackle that dream have to stop. You need to know that message God dey give you. You need to find the solution to that dream before you go even think. Now I tell am say for me, I no even want make you even go that Nigeria. Money wey you for take buy tickets, use am support your sister for marriage. Your mama do video call dey now, WhatsApp video call. You go see your mama one-on-one, talk to your mama, anything you need you give am. If that your money wey you want to buy your ticket, I know say you go still support her if you go, but if you give her that money of ticket, she go still value am. You no fit say I know say na your sister, you no fit say because of that one make you go put your life for risk. Because for my own knowledge, na my own I dey talk here, all of una talk una own too. You understand? For my own knowledge, if dream dey repeat itself again every time with same person, you know say there is, I don't know how I want to put am, there is a contact, a communication there. That communication means that man don do something wey be say the thing dey communicate with you and that man, or that na wife do am or na the man do am. And that thing, maybe the time wey you take go stay that house that time, na dey take do that thing wey be say na the thing dey do am now, the thing e wan activate. Maybe na that time dey take do am. Because when I dey use this opportunity dey tell everybody wey dey watch me right now, if you dey dream and that dream dey repeat itself with one person, you know say that person don carry your name go somewhere. E don carry your name go somewhere wey you no know. Or you dey dream, you dey go back to your old house or your old compound. Your old compound wey you be say you no even dey stay that compound again, or your family compound wey be say you no dey stay that compound again. Every time you dey see yourself for there, you know say something has been done in the spiritual realm for you in that place. They have used your name or your picture or something that concerns you in that area that is still connecting with you. If you don't break that yoke, that thing wey they do am for, e go come to pass. So my sister, for me, na my own I dey just dey talk for here, but everybody have right to his own opinion. Wetin you think wey be say person wey don dey as a madam for Europe with him family dey in your house, wetin come concern agbero with overload? Say you go back, go dey do as girl. Person dey dream and because dream is a message, and that one message e dey come 4 times a week. My sister, no go that house, because if you go that house, something will happen. I don't know what will happen. Something might happen that you won't land yourself in your uncle house again. Go and be staying with them and seeking for their refuge, and behind they speak Yoruba, may not go cut tongue. Or if something not happen to you, I don't know. It might be your document. It might even be your husband over here. I don't know. But I don't know. Try to figure it out and know what it is. You understand? What you need to do now is to break that yoke of that dream first. That message, you need to answer that message and break that covenant you have with that your uncle or his wife or the house. I don't know what they have dig for you there. So my people, may I not talk too much here. I don't talk well. So my people, now wetin I get to talk be this. Make una leave una opinion and voice recording. I know say men of God, women of God dey for this platform. Abeg, make una support this our sister. Now wetin God say more they do, so they assist each other, so they encourage each other at this time. Because may not be say wetin eye they say stone wey I see, e no dey blind eye. This stone now our sister don dey see am. Abeg, make una encourage am. Anything you think, Mona, tell her thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. God bless you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you, and God bless you. Thank you. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our video. Many videos out there, just watch all of them. Thank you, God bless you.